Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how to synchronize your picture from your phone onto your OneDrive web portal using OneDrive mobile app installed on your mobile phone. So to start, here's my mobile phone. Use OneDrive mobile app to synchronize picture from my phone onto OneDrive. First, I need to install OneDrive mobile app from Play Store. After installation, I log in with my email and password to have access to my OneDrive web portal on my phone. So I've already installed OneDrive app for mobile on my phone. I click on it. This is the portal I've already logged in with my email and password. To synchronize picture from my phone onto my OneDrive cloud. This is the files and folder that have been created on my OneDrive web portal. So to synchronize my picture on my phone onto my OneDrive cloud, click on Photos, then I turn my camera upload on. This will enable my phone to capture any photo and it will automatically synchronize it onto my OneDrive web portal. And I click on camera upload to enable my camera to upload the photos. Again, you can include video if you want your mobile phone to synchronize video from your phone onto your OneDrive cloud. After that, all my pictures from my phone will synchronize automatic from my phone to my OneDrive cloud. And if you want to disable it, you can click on settings. Then you turn off camera upload. This will turn the automatic synchronization of pictures from your phone onto your OneDrive cloud. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on this post, in the description box, click on link to the post to find more information on how you can use OneDrive mobile app to synchronize your picture onto your OneDrive cloud. And again, kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update anytime we upload new video